Destination? The Amazon Rainforest. And first class all the way.
I could definitely get used to this.
Irie, check out this classy bird, man.
So what's the scoop, RC? Any word on where we're actually going?
Here, we are... Oh, just came in. We're heading to the remote village about 300 kilometers west of Manaus, along the Amazon River. The locals are in a battle to save the forest in their area from being logged out by a huge multinational corporation. We're going to see the devastation ourselves before the concert next week, back in Manaus. Says here the logging is encroaching upon the land of the local indigenous tribe, the Guajiros.
Yo, dude, why are you wearing hip waders?
Yo, because everything I do is hip, man.
Hey guys, check this out.
Ooh,
Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look over there. Oh, whoa.